The petitioner is the biological mother of the minor child Santosh @Archit full stop. Undisputedly, comma, at the instant moment, comma, the above minor child is in the custody of correspondents number 5 and 6, comma, who became impleaded, comma, as such, comma, through an order made by this court, comma, on 22/2/2021, comma, upon, comma, CRM-W-140-2021 full stop para. The facts necessary which relates to the assumptions of custody of the minor child Santosh @Archit are that, comma, correspondents number 5 and 6 assumed the custody of the above minor child, comma, on May/June, 2018 from one Anupam Muni, comma, who is arrayed as correspondent number 4 full stop. The petitioner was at the relevant stage a disciple of correspondent number 4, comma, and, comma, since she had divorced her previous husband, comma, therefore, comma, correspondent number 4 persuaded her to marry his disciple Jagdish full stop. The said marriage was solemnized on 10/2/2018 full stop. At the time of the petitioner solemnizing second marriage with Jagdish Rai, comma, thus, comma, she through annexure R-4/1, comma, handed over the custody of her minor child, comma, to correspondent number 4 full stop. Annexure R-4/1 is claimed by correspondent number 4 to be signatured by the present petitioner full stop. However, comma, in the rejoinder filed by the petitioner to the reply of correspondent number 4, comma, she submits that the said document is a false, comma, and a forged document full stop. She further denies the contents of annexure R-4/1 being written by her on the same being signed by her full stop. However, comma, the said denial is left open to be made before the learned civil court concerned, comma, whereto, comma, the parties have been relegated to make a recourse rather for claiming the ultimate, comma, final custody of the minor child full stop. The contents of annexure R-4/1 are extracted here in full stop para. I, comma, Manisha, comma, am resident of Nepal full stop. Gurudev Sri Anupam Muni, comma, got my marriage held with Jagdish, resident of Kalanwali full stop. Due to this happiness, comma, I give my son, comma, Santosh to Gurudev Sri Anupam Muni, and I am doing this work without any pressure full stop. Now, comma, I have no responsibility on it full stop. Now, comma, I have no right on him full stop. Gurudev Sri Anupam Muni Ji is the owner of the same, and after making him his disciple, bracket, son, and by bringing up him and by giving dharam sanskar to him, comma, he will make him Jan Sant full stop para. Moreover, comma, further, the delivery of interim custody to correspondents number 5 and 6, comma, has been granted by this court, comma, by after interacting with the minor child, comma, and, comma, thereby this court concluding that the minor child is happy to reside in the company of correspondents number 5 and 6 full stop para. Correspondents number 5 and 6 plead, comma, that since they were also disciples of correspondent number 4, comma, and, comma, since the present petitioner, comma, had surrendered the minor child to correspondent number 4, comma, through annexure R-4/1 full stop. Thus, comma, when there was none to take care of the minor child besides when the health of the minor child was frail full stop. Resultantly, correspondent number 4 entrusted the custody of the minor child to them in about May/June, 2018 full stop. They further plead that since then the minor child is being given the best care by them full stop. Even the best medical care, is pleaded to be provided to the minor child, but as revealed by Annexure A-2, Annexure whereof becomes appended with their implement application full stop. Moreover, Annexures R-5/3 and R-5/4, as appended with their reply, do suggest, that the said child has been admitted by them in Mango Blossoms Kids School, Begu Road, Sirsa, Haryana, full stop.